What's up YouTube and welcome to this video. So the video is about joins, and joins are considered to be one of the hard topic to understand for anyone who is new to joins, but they are actually pretty easy. So let us try to understand what are joins. So a join is a clause used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. So this may be impossible for you to understand right now, but once we start doing the example, you will understand what this means. For now, know that there are four types of joins. So an inner join and a simple join are the same thing. A left join and left outer join is the same thing. So in inner join, we take the data which is common between the table A and table B. In the left join, we take the data of table A completely and we take the data from table B which also matches the table A. Right join is similar. We take the data of the second table completely, but we only take the data from the first table which also exists in the second table. And full outer join, we take the data which is common between both the tables and then we also take the rest of the data from both of the table. So this is how the join works. Now let us look at an example. So let us connect to the database, new query, and this is some query for adding the data so that we can explore the joins. So first create a database, then we will use it, and there are these two tables. The first is the employee table which has all these three columns, and the second one is a project table which has an ID, name, and this column is referencing to the ID column of the employee table. So we can say that this column and this column basically has the same data. So these column plays a vital role in joining the table. Let us create these two tables. Then I will insert the data. Now you can see that there are these 6 employees and there are 4 projects. Let us use the join. We write a join like this. So select star from employee table. You can use the word inner join or just join. Then write the second table's name. Then on keyword. Now we choose the columns that are related to each other. So what I have said in this definition. So from employee table, I am choosing the ID which will be equals to the project table employee ID. So this is a complete join statement, and if I execute this, all of the data is showing. So I want to show only the employee name which are working on the project. So the project name. So now when I execute this, I'm getting this join table which denotes that the employee 2 is working on project 2, the employee 1, 3 and 5 is working on project 3. But where are the project 1 and project 4, and where are employee number 4 and 6? So they are not part of this join table because this is an inner join. It only cares about the data which are present in both of the table. So the project 1 and 4 did not have any employee working on them, so they are empty. Employee 6 and employee number 4 were not working on any projects. That's why they were not chosen. So this is the data which matches between both the tables. So this is what this diagram was all about. Now the left outer join. So if I choose to put left join here, then you can see that I am now getting the employee number 4 and employee number 6, and they are not working on any of the projects. So I'm getting the entire data of the employee table, but not the entire data of the project table, because project number 4 and project number 1 are still missing. If I put right join, or I can say right outer join, if I execute, then you can see that now it's showing all of the projects, but it's not showing me the employee number 6 and employee number 4 because they are not working on any of the project. So now it's showing me all of the data of project table, so the second table, but only the data of the first table which matches. So it's only showing me the data of the first table, so the data of employee table which are working on any of the projects. Full outer join. First there is this data that employee 1 is working on this project, this employee is working on this project, but we also have the data of employee number 4 and employee number 6 which are not working on any of the project. So we have complete data of employee table, but we also have the complete data of the project table. So project number 1 and project number 4 have no working employees, but they are still showing up. So this is a full outer join. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.